YouTube. RCPERSUADER here with a video of my daily driver. It's a 2016 Dodge Durango, LT limited version, so it's the V6. Some of you might know or not, but I do work for Chrysler FCA, and this is one of the products that I built. I built the Dodge Durango, all versions, SRT, RT, V6 of course, and the Grand Cherokee, the SRT Grand Cherokee, and the Trackhawk. So I just want to show you what I drive and some of the things I got done to it. Smoked the tail lights out. Just a real easy mod. You just, it's an overlay. And I will try my best to put the description of the product and where I got it from in the video. Did my own little decal, Smith & Wesson. I got a set of 24-inch KMCs. I got the EBC rotors, slotted rotors, Toro tires. They are 285, 40, 24. It comes, I got the fully loaded. Comes with the Drake by B sound system, Drake by Beats. Leather interior, sunroof, touchscreen. The 16 comes with the shifter knob. Have the pedal shifters. I have I have 660, almost 70,000 miles on it. I've already used with 50,000 miles. No complaints. Got the extended warranty on there. The boys got the captain seats. Third row in the back. They have their own climate control. They own USB port and plug right here too. That's about it. Got the tow rack on there. For the cargo space, excuse the dirt, but this is still a truck, so keep all my stuff back there. Okay, and I added LED headlights and fog lights. That's the company for the headlights. And these are the fog lights. Just in case you guys didn't see it. I'll show you how that looks. Really see it too good, but it's pretty bright. I guess the fog lights won't come on unless I start the car up. I got the windows tinted. I got 30% windshield, 30% driver and passenger door. And that's just the factory tint right there. Let's see what else did I do to this thing. Added a couple decals. A little lion decal with the crown on it. I really like that. I see a tattoo in the future. 3.6 runs good. Got the air filter on there. So nice and simple. I like it. It's decent on gas. I'm not gonna say good, but decent. I hope you guys enjoy. You have any questions about it? Once again, this is a 2016 Dodge Durango Limit. Hope you guys are being safe, enjoying your day. Peace.